Some PowerPoint presentations require sound, either in the form of a recording, background music, or as effects. Now, how do we exactly add sound? We go to Insert, and then over here on the right, in the Media section, in the middle you'll see Audio. Now when we click on this, you will have two options: Audio on my PC and Record Audio. Record Audio, of course, allows us to create a recording using PowerPoint. Now, Audio on my PC allows us to choose a pre-recorded file and add it to PowerPoint as part of the presentation. Now, I already have some pre-recorded stuff, so what we're going to do is click on this, and then here we are at my pre-prepared files, and then we click on one, double click it, and then there you go. All you have to do now is, once you reach this page, is to click on the play button. Let's see. This is a simultaneous recording that I'm doing. There you go. Now I'm going to play that again later, but for now I'd like to give you a few tips which are very important for sound. First one is plan what to include. The second is it's easier to capture a clean sound than to edit it out later. Now a little explanation about this. You know, the software today for editing sound is pretty good, but the labor that has to go into it to remove unwanted sound is pretty intense. So it is much better to capture a good recording from the beginning, removing sounds that you don't want, rather than to try and fix it later. Now, that goes with this. That's why this tip exists. Pay attention to what should be excluded. And finally, the quality of your sound recording device matters, and I'm going to play two clips for you right now to demonstrate that fact. Now, here we go. Now maybe you can tell from the file that it was used, that the recording is made using a Samsung S7. Now, this is a simultaneous recording that I'm doing to make a sound test. Now, this one, the second one, is a sound recording using a Sony professional recorder. And let's listen to it. This is a simultaneous recording that I'm doing to make a sound test. Now if you notice, there's a portion there wherein on the second recording wherein there's a lot of noise. Now that's because the recorder itself was so powerful, it was capturing everything. Now, let's take a look at this third file. Alright, I want you to pay attention to that particular sound that you hear in the background. You hear that? That's actually a blower fan that's on. Now, I'm going to kill it and listen to everything. Give me a moment. I'm killing it now. Okay, now give it a few seconds. Listen. Do you hear anything? See, sound equipment really matters, and pay attention to what is captured, because little things like that can make or break your presentation. Thank you very much for listening.